Hi friends, this is Tapasya. Welcome to our YouTube channel Online Infopedia. Today I am going to talk about top 11 topics for the October 5th week, which is important for all types of competitive exam. First, let's know about important days to be focused. World Stroke Day is on 29th October. In India, National Integration Day is on 31st October. Theme of the World Cities Day 2020 31st October is Valuing Our Communities and Cities. World Thrift Day is on 31st October. International Animation Day is on 28th October. Theme for World Day for Audio Visual Heritage 2020 27th October is Your Window to the World. Intersex, a person or animal that has both male and female sex organs or other sexual characteristics. Awareness Day 26th October. Vigilance Awareness Week in India is on 27th October to 2nd November. International Snow Leopard Day is on 23rd October. Moving to defense. Branch of this institution at the International Financial Services Center in GIFT City, Gujarat has been recognized as a foreign depository by the International Financial Service Centers Authority is Central Depository Service Limited CDSL. This exchange and Indian Energy Exchange Limited IEX have entered into a licensing agreement to launch electricity derivatives linked to IEX spot electricity prices on trading platform is Multi Commodity Exchange of India Limited MCX. This defense force had developed a simple and secure messaging application named the Secure Application for Internet SAI for secure communication is Indian Army. Next, economy updates. This stock exchange has signed an agreement with Inventivepreneur Chamber of Commerce and Industry ICCI to support small and medium enterprises, SMEs and startups and promote their listing on the exchange is BSE. This PSB has signed an agreement with Japan Bank for International Cooperation JBIC for a loan worth $1 billion around rupees 7,403 crore is State Bank of India, first bank in the country that has gone live as a financial information provider FIP under the new account aggregator framework of the Reserve Bank of India RBI is IndusInd Bank. First state that fixed the floor price for vegetables which would be 20% above the production cost for 16 varieties of vegetable is Kerala. Coming to environment updates. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Changes has notified 250.66 square kilometer around Radhanagiri Wildlife Sanctuary RWS as an eco-sensitive zone, which is located in Maharashtra. Bird species discovered by the researchers in Pennsylvania in Powder Mill Nature Reserve, which is bilateral gynandromorphy, means genetically part male and part female, split visibly down the middle, is rose-breasted grosbeak, a sexually dimorphic species. A new plant species of the Sahyadri globe thistle discovered by researchers from India and Italy in Sahyadri Hills in the northern western Ghats of Maharashtra is Echinops sahyadricus, genus Echinops. Coming to international updates. India and this country have agreed to establish a bilateral sustainable finance forum is United Kingdom. Safest bank in Asia and 4th safest commercial bank in the world and 14th safest bank globally, according to a New York-based trade population Global Finance, is DBS Bank. Indian organization which won the prestigious 2020 UN Global Climate Action Award for its effort to combat climate change amid the COVID pandemic is Global Himalayan Expedition. India has asked this country to take corrective steps on the misrepresentation of its territorial boundaries on a new bank note which does not feature Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh as part of India is Saudi Arabia. India offered $1 billion line of credit for priority developmental projects in fields such as energy, IT, healthcare, education and agriculture in the Central Asian countries includes Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan and Kyrgyz Republic. On 25th October, this country marked the 40th anniversary of the Convention on the Civil Aspects of International Child Abduction, which was signed on 25th October 1980, is Canada. Department of Post, Government of India, and Postal Service of this country have entered into an agreement for electronic exchange of customs data related to postal shipment exchange between the two countries is United States. This power producer of India entered into foreign currency loan agreement with Japan Bank for International Cooperation JBIC for JPY 50 billion, approximately USD 482 million or rupees 3052 crore under JBIC Green or Global Action for Reconciling Economic Growth and Environmental Preservation Initiative is NGPC Limited. On 27th October 2020, a webinar between India and Dash was held on the theme of Indian Defence Industry Global Outreach for Collaborative Partnership. Webinar and Expo India Dash Defence Cooperation is in United Arab Emirates, UAE. On 20th October, this country hosted the 19th meeting of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO. Ministers responsible for foreign company and foreign trade activities is India. Next president of Bolivia is Luis Catacora. World's third largest economy and its fifth largest emitter of carbon dioxide, which is now following in the footsteps of the European Union and China for achieving a carbon neutral society by 2050, is Japan. After the 50th ratification from Dash, the United Nations announced that 50 countries have ratified a UN treaty to ban nuclear weapons, triggering its entry into force in 90 days, is Honduras. On 2nd November 2020, this organization will launch an online course on the Climate Risk Information Decision Analysis (CRIDA) or CRIDA methodology, is UNESCO Regional Office for Southern Africa. India and this country on 23rd October unveiled plans for a joint thrust in the e-health sector, is Netherlands. Chairperson of the BRICS Parliamentary Forum that held virtually on 27th October under the theme of BRICS Partnership in the Interest of Global Stability, General Safety and Innovative Growth, Parliamentary Dimension, is Vyacheslav Volodin, Russia. Coming to national updates. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Sardar Patel Zoological Park in Kevadia, Gujarat. New scheme of Union Ministry for Science and Technology to provide fellowship and research grants for women scientists is SCRB Power, promoting opportunities for women in exploratory research. This institution under Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade DPIIT, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India has been granted accreditation conforming to ISO 17020-2012 is National Productivity Council NPC. First e-resource center in India providing facility of e-filing of cases in the courts across the country that inaugurated by Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobge at the Judicial Officers Training Institute is Nyay Kaushal. This private university has signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with the Ministry of Education, Government of India and has been conferred the status of Institution of Eminence IOE, which gives full autonomy, is OP Jindal Global University. India's Dash PhD Fellowship Program launched on 24th October under the National Education Policy 2020 is Association of Southeast Asian Nations. This ministry launched a philately exhibition on India and the UN, a postal history is Ministry of External Affairs. Theme of the National Conference on Vigilance and Anti-Corruption, which will organized by the Central Bureau of Investigation on 27th October 2020 is Vigilant India and Prosperous India. To ensure that devotees get hygienically prepared and healthy and safe prasad, langar, bandara and bhog at places of worship during the festive season, the Food Safety and Drug Administration FSDA has launched Blissful Hygienic Offering to God Bhog project in Lucknow. A price monitoring and resource unit (PMRU) has been set up in the state and UT under the aegis of National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority (NPPA). Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer is in Goa. On 27th October, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu inaugurated the virtual Festival of Parampara Series 2020 National Festival of Music and Dance organized by Natya Tarangini in partnership with the United Nations. Union Education Minister Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank virtually inaugurated the DST IIEST Solar PV Hub at Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology IIEST Shibpur. This institution, in association with CSIRO, is organizing India-Australia Circular Economy Hackathon (IACE) on 7th and 8th December is AIM Atal Innovation Mission. Union Ministry of Tribal Affairs launched 2 Centers of Excellence for Tribal Welfare in a collaboration of Heart of Living AOL in Jharkhand and Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. Dr. Harsh Vardhan, Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, launched All India CSR campaign against COVID-19 in Punjab National Bank. Theme of 4th India Energy Forum SCERA Week that held virtually on 26 October 2020 in India's Energy Future in the World of Change. Union Minister of State for Shipping Mansukh Mandaviya inaugurated the direct port entry DPE facility of Vivo Chidambaranar Port Trust at Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu. Winner of National Gold Award by FICCI in the 8th FICCI Quality System Excellence Award in Smart System. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju will flag off a 200-km long Fit India Walkathon being organized by ITBP in Dash during October 31st and November 2nd is in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. First UT in the country which operationalized Public Financial Management System PFMS at the district level is in Jammu and Kashmir. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) and this company signed a contract worth Rs 400 crore for implementation of Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) to support HAL's Project Parivartan in Tech Mahindra. Secretary Ministry of Earth Science Dr. M. Rajivan dedicated Flash Food Guidance Services, first of its kind for South Asian countries, namely India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal and Sri Lanka. Coming to person in news updates. Person who has been appointed by the Ministry of Education, Government of India as the Chairman of the Society and Board of Governors of the National Institute of Industrial Engineering is Shashikiran Shetty, Chairman of All Cargo, Logistic and Gati. Winner of Dr. Tulsidas Chaug Award for the year 2020 in recognition of his research work on malaria parasites life cycle given by the National Academy of Medical Science India is Dr. Satish Mishra, CSIR CDRI Lucknow. Poet who received the prestigious 41st Sarla Puraskar 2020 for his poetry collection Seth Bela Kunit Natibi is Nityanda Nayak. First African American who holds the position in the Catholic Church highest governing body, a cardinal, after Pope Francis named him Wilton Gregory. Recipient of the 2020 Eugene Garfield Award for Innovation in Citation Analysis given by the Clarivate plc is Dr. Giacomo Livan, Department of Computer Science, University College London, UK. Person who has been conferred the Lifetime World Peace Ambassador Award by Wockhardt Foundation, the World Peacekeepers Movement is Ravi Gaikwad, founder of the Road Safety World Series T20 Cricket Tournament. Recipient of the Asia Pacific League of Association for Rheumatology APLAR Master Award 2020 during the 22nd APLAR Virtual Congress on 24th October is Dr. A.N. Chandrasekharan. Winners of Wildlife Photographer of the Year Award in the Birds Behavior category given by London's Natural History Museum, Sambat Subbaiah, Chennai. Writer who received Mulanehi Award instituted by Mulanehi Foundation is P.N. Gopikrishnan. Person who was honored with the Global CMO of the Year 2020 award is Rajesh Goenka. Next Chief Information Commissioner of India is Yashwardhan Sinha, a former director of the Asian Development Bank and a founder trustee of the National Agro Foundation (NAF), who passed away on 25th October 2020, K.S. Subramanian. World's first science book entitled Bye Bye Corona is written by Dr. Pradeep Srivastava. Author of book entitled The Patent Assassin, A True Tale of Massacre, Revenge and the Raj is Anita Anand. Next is State Current Affairs. This state government will launch the Dharani portal to provide all land and property related information online so that the data can be accessed by anyone is Telangana. The Dash Commission for Protection of Child Rights has constituted an International Journal of Child Rights is Delhi. This international bank approved a $120 million project for the Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project is World Bank. In this state, the International Snow Leopard Day was celebrated by the State Forest Department Wildlife Wing in association with United Nations Development Program at Killer of Pangi in Chamba district East, Himachal Pradesh. Uttarakhand government launched the Integrated Model Agricultural Village Scheme in partnership with NABARD NABARD at Majri Granth Doiwala in Dehradun. The state government decided to transfer the scheme from the LIC to India Post from 2020-21 owing to low rate of interest is Karnataka. This state Vidhana Sabha passed the Agricultural Produce Market Amendment Bill 2020, which clearly defined deemed mandis, enabling the state government to declare private mandis as deemed mandis is Chhattisgarh. New chairman of Jammu and Kashmir State Water Resources Regulatory Authority SWRRA is BVR Subramaniam. This state government is initiating a lab to field program to further boost the state's agriculture sector is West Bengal. This state Vidhan Sabha passed the State Vigilance Commission Bill 2020 which seeks to pave way for the establishment of a multi-member panel for bringing in more transparency and checking corruption among public servants is Punjab. This state government informed that 37,420 square kilometers of forest area in the state has been classified as degraded forest area is Madhya Pradesh. This state government ordered appointment of women as home guards in the fire and rescue service for the first time in history is Kerala. This UT government established the International Arbitration Center in Jammu and Kashmir. This state government launched the Young Advocates Welfare Fund to provide a monthly financial assistance of 3,000 rupees each for 2 years to the lawyers who just come out of law colleges in Tamil Nadu. It is the part of the second Defence Corridor project. A Defence Logistic Production Center and Atal Innovation Park has started functioning at Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. In Jammu and Kashmir, as a part of government's ambitious Jan Abhiyan program, the Block Divas was observed on 28 October 2020 to assess the progress of developmental work across all the districts of Kashmir Division. Recipient of the prestigious Vayalar Award given by Kerala government is Edacheri Ramachandran, Malayalam poet. The 65th Karnataka Rajyotsava falls on 1st November. Jambu Safari Elephant Procession is organized on the 10th and concluding day of Dasahara in Mysore, Karnataka. The United Nations World Food Programme WFP and this state government has signed the Memorandum of Understanding MOU to work together to achieve food security and improve nutrition in the state Rajasthan. The Vittana Grama Seed Village program will be launched in Andhra Pradesh. Next, coming to science and technology updates. A physicist team led by Rangadias of the University of Rochester in New York has discovered a material that conducts electricity with perfect efficiency at room temperature only while being crushed between a pair of diamonds, and it is a novel metallic compound of hydrogen, carbon and sulfur. A team of scientists from this institute at SN Bose National Centre for Basic Sciences, Kolkata, has come up with surfactants that improve gas intake in hydrates is IIT Madras. IIT Kharagpur has developed novel Industry 4.0 technology for remotely controlled factory operation and real-time quality correction during industrial production jointly with Tata Consultancy Services (TCS). Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) will launch an Earth observation satellite on 7th November is EOS-01. Next, sports news. British F1 driver who has broken German Michael Schumacher's all-time Formula One win record after dominating the Portuguese Grand Prix 2020 is Lewis Hamilton. Next is general knowledge. Andhra Pradesh capital Amaravati, statehood 1st November 1956, official language Telugu. Arunachal Pradesh capital Itanagar, statehood 20th February 1987, official language is English. Assam capital is Dispur, statehood 26 January 1950, official language is Assamese. Bihar capital is Patna, statehood 26 January 1950, official language is Hindi. Chhattisgarh capital is Naya Raipur, statehood 1st November 2000, official language is Hindi. Himachal Pradesh capital Shimla in summer and Dharmshala in winter, statehood 25th January 1971, official language is Hindi. Jharkhand capital Ranchi, statehood 15th November 2000, official language is Hindi. Haryana capital Chandigarh, statehood 1st November 1966, official language is Hindi. National Crime Records Bureau NCRB, founded in 11th March 1986, headquarters is in Delhi. Gujarat capital Gandhinagar, statehood 1st May 1960, official language is Gujarati. Geological Survey of India, founded in 4th March 1857, founder is Thomas Oldham. Headquarter is in Kolkata, West Bengal. International Financial Services Center Authority IFSCA India, founded in 27th April 2020, headquarters is in Gift City, Gandhinagar in Gujarat. Department of Post, founded in 1st October 1857, headquarters is in New Delhi. NTPC Limited, National Thermal Power Corporation Limited, founded in 7th November 1975, headquarters is in New Delhi. Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO, founded in 15 June 2001, headquarters is in Beijing, China. Border Security Force BSF, formed in 1st December 1965, motto is Jeevan Paryant Kartav, duty unto death. Assam Rifles, the oldest parliamentary force of India, formed in 1835, motto is Sentinels of the Northeast. Central Service Police Force CRPF, formed in 27 July 1936, motto is Service and Loyalty. Central Industrial Security Force CISF, formed in 10th March 1969, motto is Protection and Security. Sashastra Seema Bal, formed in 20th December 1963, motto is Service, Security and Brotherhood. Leadership ranking chart for the Indian Armed Forces is Supreme Commander, President, Prime Minister, Minister of Defense, Defense Secretary and Chief of Defense Staff. Indo-Tibetan Border Police, formed in 24th October 1962, motto is Valor, Steadfastness and Commitment. Special Frontier Force SFF to conduct covert operation behind Chinese lines in the event of another Sino-Indian War, founded in 14 November 1962, headquarters is in Chakrata, Uttarakhand, nickname is Establishment 22. Indian Coast Guard ICG, founded in 18th August 1978, motto is Vayam Raksama. Snow leopard is the state animal of Himachal Pradesh. World Meteorological Organization WMO, founded in 23rd March 1950, headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. India Meteorological Department IMD, founded in 1875, headquarters is in New Delhi. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation SAARC, founded in 8th December 1985, headquarters is in Kathmandu, Nepal. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare was established in 1947. Ministry of Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy Ayush was established on 9th November 2014. Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers was established on 5th June 1991. Ministry of Commerce and Industry was established on 15th August 1947. Ministry of Communications was established on 19th July 2016. Goa capital is Panaji, statehood is 30th May 1987, official language is Konkani. So guys, these are the updates for today. Let's meet next week with more GK and latest current affair updates. If you have any doubt, please ask all your queries in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information and updates. So thanks for watching. Myself Tapasya from Online Infopedia. Thank you. Bye bye. See you all.